Are you over 50 and wondering if it's too late to start an online business? I thought the same thing. I had zero tech skills, no marketing background, and honestly, I almost didn't start. But now I run my own digital business, and today I'll show you exactly how I went from clueless to confident. Hi, it's Lorna. And if you're over 50 and wondering if it's too late to start, I want you to hear this loud and clear. It is not. You don't need to be techie. You don't need a background in marketing. But what you do need is a plan that makes sense for where you are right now. Not something overwhelming and not something built for the 20-year-old influencers. So let me walk you through how I went from having zero experience to creating something real, flexible, and mine, and how you can too. The first thing I had to do, and this is what something most beginners skip, was to stop looking at all the tools and tactics and ask myself one simple question. What do I actually want this business to do for me? Was I looking for extra income, flexibility, or a sense of purpose? And once I knew that, the next question was, who do I feel called to help? That clarity became my compass. Without it, I was constantly getting lost in tech tutorials and conflicting advice. And once I had that compass, I realized something. I didn't have to create everything from scratch. I didn't have to spend months figuring out a product before I could even start. So I found a beginner friendly digital marketing course that actually came with a ready to sell product. That meant I could learn and earn at the same time. It gave me what was required to run an online business. And once I had the structure, I just added my own story and personality. Now, I'll be honest. I used to be completely intimidated by tech. But once I got started, I was very surprised by how simple things could be. For example, I use System.io to build my funnel. It's literally drag and drop. And for graphics, I use Canva. The template do most of the work. These tools are built for beginners. So you don't need to be a designer or a coder, just willing to give it a go. But here's the part that almost stopped me. It was the willingness to show up and share. I can tell you, it can be quite scary to put yourself out there, especially when you feel new and unsure. But it's crucial for you to do so. But the good part is that you don't have to dance, go viral, or be on every platform. I started with simple posts, short videos, and emails. I talked about why I was doing this and shared my journey, the ups, the downs, and the mistakes. And here's what I learned. People don't connect with perfection. They connect with real. The next thing that was one of the smartest move I made was joining the community of other beginners, many over 40, 50, and beyond. We asked questions, celebrated small wins, and reminded each other to keep going. That support kept me from quitting on days when I felt stuck. I knew I wasn't alone anymore, and that made all the difference. So, if you're feeling the pull to start something online, here's what I tell you. Get a beginner friendly system that provides a step by step guidance and then surround yourself with people who are on the same journey. And just keep taking one step at a time after that. You don't have to go fast. You just have to keep going. One video, one email, one post at a time. Don't wait until you feel ready because you won't be and you could be waiting forever. So start where you are and invest in yourself. Now, if you're wondering where to start and want the exact beginner friendly course that I use, I'll link it below. It gave me the structure, tools, and a ready to sell product so I could start learning and earning right away. As well, it gave me a community. Now, If this gave you clarity, subscribe for more simple, supportive videos to help you build something of your own, starting right where you are. I'm Lorna, and I'll see you in the next video.